Lesson time.
Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at these object pronouns. Me, me. Give me the phone. You, you. In the tell you. Him, him. Note that the word him is also translated to him. Should he ask him to sing? The next word her is translated to her or are. Her, are. Him a her father. He, he. She did buy. We. Pick we up at the airport, please. Them. Tell them to come home. Okay, guys, use what you just learned to translate the following into Jamaican patois. Remember, feel free to leave question or comment regarding the lesson in